The Supreme Court is expected to hand down multiple rulings today on the last day of its term, including a major decision on President Trump's attempt to end birthright citizenship for the children of illegal immigrants. Rebecca Castor tells us the ruling is expected to have wider implications of lower court judges to issue nationwide injunctions.
In a monumental ruling from the Supreme Court, the Trump administration could soon be allowed to deny citizenship to children of illegal migrants born in the U.S. The justices ruling 6-3 to limit nationwide injunctions, meaning President Trump's executive order on this may soon take effect.
It is really surprising that the Supreme Court chose the birthright citizenship question as the vehicle for ending nationwide injunctions. It's going to create a lot more chaos.
This case centered on the 14th Amendment, which says all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside. But the justices didn't weigh in on whether the children of illegal migrants are protected by that. Instead, their decision focused solely on the rights of lower courts to influence policy across the country, a right the justices say is limited.
What's going to happen now is that the Trump administration will have to stop its executive orders only in the courts where those judges decide against them, but still be able to pursue their policies in the rest of the country.
Since Trump has returned to office, federal judges have issued more than 40 nationwide injunctions blocking his agenda. This ruling likely overturns many, if not all of those. In a dissent, Justice Sonia Sotomayor says the parents of children covered by the citizenship order would be well advised to file promptly class action suits and request temporary injunctive relief. With the constitutional question of who the 14th Amendment protects still unanswered and that push for more legal action, this issue could end up back here next term. From the Supreme Court, Rebecca Castor, Fox News.